Okay, let's try a slightly more complex one. If you'd like to put this in your books, just pause the video, write down the unbalanced equation, and then I'll model how to balance it. So this is a reaction between calcium oxide and hydrochloric acid, gives us calcium chloride and water. So as usual, the number of atoms on this side in the reactants must equal the same number of atoms in the products. That is the law of conservation of mass. So I'm going to start working through each of the different elements one by one. So calcium, on this side I have 1, and in my products I've got 1. So I'm happy. It is, I've just got 1. Let's try oxygens. Oxygens here, I've got 1, and in my products I have got 1. So far so good. Hydrogens. On this side in my reactants I have got 1. However, in my products, my water molecule is always 2 hydrogens bonded with 1 oxygen. That is the only way water can be, and therefore I have 2 hydrogens on this side. So I need 2 hydrogens in my reactants in order to balance that with my products. So I have to put a large 2 in front of here. I can't just put a little 2 here, because hydrogen and chlorine always bond in a 1-to-1 ratio, because hydrogen is a +1 and chlorine is a -1. So I can't put a 2 here, otherwise my charges won't balance. So the only way I can do this is putting a big number in front, which means that I now have 2 hydrogens. However, I've now increased the number of chlorines as well. So let's do the chlorines last. So I've got 2 chlorines on this side because I've got a large 2. I've got 2 lots of hydrogen chloride. And over on my products, I have got 2 chlorines as well. Let's just check. 1-to-1, 1-to-1, 2-to-2, 2-to-2. So I'm happy and my equation is balanced.